Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be recreating Kathryn Bernardo's makeup look. So to start with Kathryn's makeup look, I'm just using my trusted primer. It is the Quick FX No Shine Mattifier because we want to have a flawless base just like Kathryn Bernardo. Then next, I'm just using my L'Oreal Infallible na 24-hour fresh wear foundation in the shade 140 or golden beige. I've opted to use my EB Advanced na paddle brush instead of yung dump sponge guys, kasi mas maganda ang finish pag brush yung ginagamit kasi mas natural siyang tingnan, and we want to achieve the natural makeup look ni Kathryn Bernardo. After the foundation, I am now using my satin concealer in the shade 01, and I'm just applying it to my T-zone and some of my dark spots. So guys, ginamit ko lang is yung aking ring fingers just to blend it under my eyes and sa ibang parts ng aking face para mas natural yung ating concealer tingnan. And then I just blend it also with my EB Advanced paddle brush para mas maging well blended ang ating concealer. Now for my brows, I am using this Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe, and this is my holy grail talaga na liner guys kasi napaka-natural lang niya tingnan sa eyebrows, and then maganda din siya kasi may spoolie na siya at the other side of the product, so hindi ka na mahahassle pa na maghanap ng spoolie. So I'm just filling in my other brow. Now going back to my concealer na satin concealer, I'm just putting a little bit of that concealer sa my tail ng aking eyebrows, and then I'm just putting the excess to my lids para preparation sa eye makeup. Just a tip guys, always do your baking before kayo mag eye makeup para just in case na may mahulog na mga eyeshadow dyan, pwede nyo pa siyang ma-brush out. So starting with my eye makeup, I'm just using this peachy color sa aking EB Advanced Total Effects na palette, and I'm just putting it all over my lids. Now using this flat brush, I'm just dabbing it to this medium color na brown and just putting it closer to my lash line kasi gagawa tayo ng radiant natural eye makeup kasi yun yung mga peg ni Kathryn Bernardo, napaka-natural lang, parang ini-enhance lang yung natural na beauty niya. Remember guys, blending is the key para maging natural tingnan yung eyeshadow and well blended siyang tingnan. So I'm just using my blending brush, and then bumalik lang ako dun sa transition color natin, yung peachy na color, and then nag-add lang ako ng konti, and then I'm blending it again with this big blending brush. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline New York Line Tattoo Crayon, and I'm just doing a tight line. As you can see guys, struggle is real kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig mag-tight line, so medyo nag-struggle ako dito guys. And then after tight lining, I'm just putting a little bit of liner closer to my upper lash line kasi napaka-natural lang talaga ng eye makeup ni Miss Kathryn Bernardo. So as much as possible, gagawin din nating natural ang ating eye makeup. Now to our lower lash line, I will be putting this lighter color na browns closer to my lower lash line, and then kumuha lang ako nitong smaller na blending brush, and I'm just smoking it out with transition color, yung earlier yung peachy color na eyeshadow. For my eyelashes, I am just curling my lashes, and then I just put this Maybelline Total Temptation in the shade black na mascara. after ng ating eye makeup, now I will be brushing yung ating binake earlier. And then, let's proceed with blusher and contour. So for my blusher, I am using this EB Advance na blush and contour duo in the shade Rosy Chic. And I'm just applying it sa aking temples, sa aking cheeks. Tapos guys, yung excess na contour powder, nilagyan ko lang ng konti yung sides ng aking nose para mas tumangos yung ating ilong. Now, para ma-achieve natin yung glowing natural makeup ni Miss Kathryn Bernardo, I am using this Better Than Basic Hairline Strobe Stick and just applying it to the highest points of my face. Now, to complete this Kathryn Bernardo's makeup look, I am just using this Detail Matte in the shade Loth or D6. And ito lang kasi yung red lipstick ko, so ito na lang yung nilagay ko. Although mas bright yata siya compared to Miss Kathryn Bernardo's lip color doon sa picture. So here's the final look guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you on my next video. Bye! O diba yung bangs natin dyan? Oo.